You rappers get ignored, me I'm who they checking for.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida, and in this video I'll be heading to the dealership and picking up my Tesla Roadster. Just bought that thing, and it is open for pickup right now at the dealership, so we'll be picking that up. But yeah, let's actually head on over there right now. I also just picked up this Range Rover here. As you guys see, this thing looks really nice. This is my new daily driver SUV here. I really like the tires on this thing. Rims look really nice. And yeah, the rims actually add quite a nice touch to this car. Really nice. But yeah, just picked this thing up. But yeah, for now, let's actually head down to the dealership right now. This thing isn't all that fast, as you guys see. I mean, it's decently fast, but you cannot launch this thing for some reason, as you guys can see. But yeah, still a really nice looking car. Really like this thing. But yeah, let's head down to the dealership right now. It should be there. Tesla Roadster, really nice car. Haven't drove this thing for a while. I have drove it before. Someone let me drive their Tesla Roadster, and it was actually really nice. Really liked how it drove. All-wheel drive car. That thing has a lot of torque and a lot of horsepower too. And it is electric Tesla, so the thing actually accelerates really fast too. So pretty excited to pick this thing up. Probably take this thing to a car meet soon or so. But yeah, I also do have another hypercar in the garage. I have a Pagani custom wrapped. I have it in this like purple blue color. Really nice wrap on it. Probably take the Pagani to car meet soon. The wrap just looks really nice on the thing. I don't think I'm gonna wrap this Tesla. I got it in blue, which is a really nice color. But yeah. So for now, I think I'm gonna head in. What time is it? I think it is 12:30. Yep. I'm gonna head into the dealership, and I will sign papers and stuff and get the keys or the card to the Tesla, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, I just got the keys to the card. I don't think the Tesla Roadster uses key, but yeah, I have the card here for the Tesla. I'm pretty sure Teslas use cards instead of keys. But yeah, Tesla should be up on the garage or so. So we'll be heading up there and picking this thing up. Here we go. So I think they said to park down here and walk up. So I think I'll park next to this truck here. There we go. Anyways, head up and check out that Tesla Roadster. Alright, so the Tesla should be somewhere up here. Lots of other cars. I think these cars are for pickup too or so. Ooh, here we go. Look at this thing. Next to the Honda Accord here. I think this car is also for pickup. But look at that. A really nice car. Look at that. Just looks so nice. I also like the rims on the Tesla Roadster. It just looks really nice. Really clean. Look at that. That actually looks so nice. Oh wow, that looks nice. But yeah, pretty happy I purchased this thing. Haven't really tested it out yet. But here we go. Look at that thing. That thing looks clean. But yeah, this thing accelerates really quick. Let's actually turn this thing on now. Here we go. Let's turn it on. And let's see how this thing drives. Oh wow, that thing accelerates. This thing accelerates really quick. Don't want to scrape it here. Tesla Roadster is actually pretty low. So we don't want to scrape this thing. Oh my gosh, that's close. I'm pretty sure we scraped it. Oops, but should be fine. This thing is actually so low. Look at that. Probably one of my lowest cars. But yeah, this thing accelerates real quick. It's actually launch this thing right over here. Here we go. Let's launch this thing, do its speed test and stuff, handling test, and see how this thing performs. Right, let's put this thing in neutral, traction control off, and let's see here. There we go. We're off to 60. There we go, and 100 miles per hour. We're coming up. I think we can hit 200. Actually, never mind. Oops. Actually crashed that there. Let's pretend that never happened. Alright, this thing's still brand new, pretty clean. Oh wow, look at the lights on this thing. As you guys see, we got pretty nice lights. Let's see. Headlights, tail lights, brake lights. We got blinkers. Really like the blinkers in the front here. Look at that. Oh wow, really nice. Let's actually change the time here so we could see this thing better. Time. Let's do it 11. There we go. Look at that. This thing is so clean. This thing just launches once you. Oh wow, this thing accelerates quick. Braking is also really good on this thing, not gonna lie. Handles really well. As you guys see, got that all-wheel drive. Let's launch down this road here. Pretty sure we could hit 200 down this road maybe. Yeah, I don't want to risk it. We might crash. Let's see here. Man, this thing looks nice. Really like this Roadster here. This thing handles well and is really nice. Pulling up to Aqualand here. That big water park. Look at that. This thing is so nice. This thing just launches. Look at that. Wow, this thing is nice. Alright, here we go. I might also pick up another, we'll probably have some more hypercars coming soon. Maybe a Bugatti Veyron or the Agera, Koenigsegg Agera. Yeah, this thing probably won't beat the Koenigsegg Agera in a race. Top speed. But here we go. Let's take it down this road. I don't know if we can hit 200 here, but let's try. I don't think so. Can we? There we go, 200. Oh my gosh. Oops. Alright, let's see. This thing is pretty quick. Gets to 200 pretty quick, not gonna lie. Here, this road we can probably test top speed. Let's head all the way down here though, because I don't think we could test top speed here, unless we can, because this thing accelerates real quick. Alright, we're already at 200 miles per hour. Pulling up to 230 here. There we go. $250 maybe. Alright, 248. Oops. 248, I think, is the top speed on this thing, maybe. Oh my gosh, the lag. Alright, let's see how fast this thing goes. Let's test top speed, because we have a pretty long road right here. This thing just looks so nice. Oh my gosh, the lag. Alright, we'll have to deal with the lag. We don't want to crash this thing again. Alright, we're pulling up to 240, 250. Here we go. Pretty nice. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oops. New car. Alright, let's pretend that never happened. This car's still in brand new. Clean condition, new condition. We're good. But yeah, man, this thing actually performs real nice. Really like this thing. Let's take it back to the house now. Pretty much crashed it a whole bunch of times. That last crash, this thing would have been totaled, but just pretend that never happened. This car's good. Anyways, head back to the house now. Here we go. I think I'll take this thing to a car meet soon, or the Pagani, because Pagani has a really nice wrap. Haven't showed you guys yet, but yeah, Tesla Roadster, also a really nice car. I don't know if I'm gonna do any modifications to this thing, wrap it or anything, because this blue color actually looks real nice on it. So yeah, let's take this thing back over to the dealership. I mean, not back to the dealership. Take this thing back to our house here. And oh my gosh, the lag is crazy. Let's put this thing in the garage. You don't want anything happening to this thing. And if you guys didn't know, inside of my house here, we got a Tesla charger. So let's charge this thing up at 60%. There we go. Probably charge this thing overnight. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.